I do not play the guitar. But we have several guitars in the house because several members of this household do play. However, I do not. I mean, I know some basic chords that I like from the messing around with the guitar days. Anyway, I've been asked to. And you'll see that I don't play. But request, sure. Pick up a guitar and play. Pick up a guitar and play and make up a song. All right. With my cough. Sure thing. With this crazy, it's like I'm like some hobo at home here. Hobo at home. Okay, here we go. Right. Okay. I was sitting amid the trees. They were looking down on me. And they said with their voice so sweet, take a load off and relax and rest your feet. So I did. Oh, I did, and I sat there for a while and smiled at these beautiful trees. They were sweet looking. They were tall looking. I wish I could be a tree and be good looking like them. I'll never forget that time when I sat there staring a while with those trees looking down at me. I swear they were smiling too. So when you're in the forest by yourself, listen and enjoy yourself. Take your shoes off and relax a while. Give those trees a smile, 'cause they're taking care of you. They're taking care of you. That's a crazy song and ridiculous, and I feel like a hippie hobo. That's what I got, folks. Good morning to you.